Can you, is there like a weird light on us? Like you look white.
I am white.
But I'm like, oh no, I'm just red. Oh god. Oh god. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, Jessie is here with me. I'm currently in LA, staying at her place, and we're having such a great time. Wow, okay, so I didn't even mention the fact that Jessie is my oldest friend and also my very best friend. We met in senior kindergarten 20 years ago, which is insane to actually do the math and figure that out. I can't believe it. It's crazy. Time flies by. So anyways, Jessie is my best friend and she lives in LA, and I missed her so much, so I just had to come down to LA to visit her. So we did some vlogs, so keep an eye open for those. But let's just get back to the video, and I definitely needed to introduce her because she is so important to me. Okay, let's get back to the video. So last night, I was going through her makeup stash because I usually go through people's makeup stashes, and I was like, what the hell is this? She passes me over this little bag. I'm like, oh, okay, so like where's the rest of it? She's like, that is it. That's like all my makeup. And like I get it for like a person who's not obsessed with makeup, like this is probably usual. But then I started going through it and I was like,
I don't know. I have no excuses actually.
So for instance, this is a tube of, was this foundation? This is basically a foundation tube cut in half, dried out, just in the middle of her makeup bag. And I was like, oh my god. So I basically stopped there and I was like, we need to do a video of me like actually taking it apart and being like, what the damn is this? So we are here today to film a makeup video on switching each other's makeup bags and doing our makeup with only the contents in our makeup bags. So that's what I brought to LA. This is the stuff that I'm gonna wear in LA. Just like simple, natural.
Yes.
I also have brushes in there. I have a sponge in there. I'm really scared to see what I have in here because what the?
Not much.
Like this brush right here, like there's no handle.
The end fell off and it fits in like every bag.
What the damn is this?
And it's really dirty.
I'm gonna get acne from using these brushes.
I get acne from using my brushes.
What kind of friend would I be if I let her live her life with these brushes? The very next day we went to Marshall's where we picked out some new brushes for her, and hopefully she threw out the brushes that she already had because they definitely needed to go. Like paper in here that is like, this is just
that list.
Like this is insane. Okay, I'm gonna lay out everything because I don't even know what I'm working with. Oh, the one thing I was really excited about is that she has both the Glossier tint and the concealer, and I want to try this.
There's a lot of Altoids in my makeup bag.
Altoids, so I'm gonna start myself off with one of those. Okay. Oh, one thing that I don't share is mascara, so we're just gonna swap back for the mascara.
That's fine.
You guys like?
She thinks I'm dirty, whatever.
No, I don't do it. I don't share it with anyone. You have memory cards in here. Are you whack?
What's wrong?
They're not gonna work. There's like makeup on them.
That's fine, isn't it? You can wipe it off. You have Wowder. I really wanted to try this. It's gonna be fun.
See, we have products that we want to try. Oh, I'm not even gonna go to the bottom of that. That's just like.
I just love Glossier packaging.
I'm like not even gonna try.
Oh.
What do you start with?
I have an eyebrow pencil, but it's not in here. Don't know where it is. I start my makeup off with the Glossier primer.
Oh, can you go get it?
Do you want me to get it for you?
And the brow.
So this is what I start with. It's a priming moisturizer.
By Glossier. I actually have this.
Wait, also in here should be...
I didn't want to go through that. It's a little...
Wait, I have like a benefit pore list.
Oh. It's okay if you don't have that. I don't really like it anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
But sometimes I use that if I'm feeling really... like I've got a lot of pores exposed.
Oh, I do.
What do you start with?
I start with this.
Too Faced Hangover.
You have to open it like this.
Okay, so that's why I did that with the other one.
But where's the lid? You dried it out.
I don't know.
Okay, use that. It's really moisturizing and I love it. This feels good. But it's also not good to wear this in the sun. Do we know this?
What?
This.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it has a chemical in it that like fights acne, but if you're exposed to the sun, then it like messes you up.
Oh, okay, so I should be wearing sunscreen.
Yeah, but we're not really gonna be like in the sun, right?
Smell. No, we're getting ready to go out.
Oh yeah, we're going out to dinner with the girls.
And drinks.
Also, my nose is so burnt that it's not covering that. I kind of knew it wouldn't, but it's hard to kind of see.
Wow, I should put makeup on with brushes more often.
How fast is that, right? It's easy.
Oh my god.
Does this build up? Like, can I put more?
Mm-hmm. I do usually like 2 coats.
That looks good.
That looks good too. You just put a little more on your nose.
I know. I think I'm gonna put some concealer on my nose.
So bad that you're doing this with me.
What the damn is this? There's some hair in there.
Okay, so I was gonna ask you, how do I not get that? Because
why are there holes in it?
I don't know. I think that those little hairs are just from...
This is so like yellow compared to my pink face. Wow. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't that cover up my burn a little bit? Or am I just delusional?
It did.
A little bit or like a lot of it?
A lot of it.
I actually, oh my god, in the viewfinder it looks so yellow and like so dewy.
Okay, so that's something I noticed about Glossier is it's super, super dewy.
Yeah, that's kind of like the look they go for. Is this the brush you use? This is what you use?
That's what I use as like a powder for like any kind of powder.
The e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I'm just gonna go under. This has hairs coming off of it. How grimy. Oh my god, I can't get it off my face. Get it off. Just get it off. That's so annoying.
I'm so dead.
Is this supposed to be your clean brush?
Yeah.
No. 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 Oh. If this is your clean brush, I'm not using that other brush.
I wouldn't, honestly. I wouldn't go there. Shit, I'm gonna actually use the foundation brush a little bit. Just to like even this out. What? What?
A bead of sweat just rolled down my leg. I was like, what the f is that? Straight up. I don't know how else to tell you.
You have this.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I love it. I've had like 2 tubes. The Milk Makeup Flex Concealer, and I use this underneath my eyes and to highlight my forehead and my chin. Okay. But you don't need to use like all of that because it's a lot of product, especially because it's like hot here, so like you don't need that much. Okay, I guess I'm using the same brush for a bronzer. It's like a nice like contouring brush. Let's see. Okay. I mean, I already know I like the bronzer, but brush is not horrible.
So what brush do you use for this now?
Like this is such a dramatic line.
Okay, what do you use for this now? The same brush?
I use this one for powder to set it with the
what
powder.
what about the concealer?
Yeah, you can use this or you can use the sponge.
Oh, I'm pretty scared of sponges, to be honest.
It will change your life. Do you only use your fingers?
I pretty much actually only use my fingers, except for a bronzer.
What the heck? Like I don't like this. I'd much rather use this, which is depressing, than your brushes. Like it doesn't look bad. Did I fix it? In person, did I fix it?
There's like a line under, like around here.
Oh, here?
Yeah,
here.
$20. She's gonna redo her makeup before I go out tonight.
Yeah, I need my own makeup. Or at least like blend it with my brushes. This is ridiculous. I'm getting you new brushes. That's the worst part about this. The brushes, for sure.
Okay, that makes me feel pretty good because that's a pretty easy fix, I think. Okay.
Love your bronzer, obviously. I like
She's the one that put me onto it, and I have put literally all my friends onto it.
You're welcome. Yeah, I like this combination.
How did I do?
That looks so good on you. You need that concealer. I like that. Do you like that?
I like this concealer. It feels great.
The only thing is, I'm gonna warn you, the Wowder is very dark. So I wouldn't put it underneath your eyes.
I won't. And I'm nervous about dark. This is what you use for the Wowder?
Oh, I can see that.
Look at all of her
nasty
nice
bronzer. Oh, I washed them all for you.
Thanks, that's sweet.
I washed them before I go on vacation because like it's grimy.
Yeah, it's true. How often do you wash your brushes?
Not that often actually, but like I don't let them get to this point. throwing shade at you.
It's great.
That's the thing, is when you do your makeup, it looks so good. That's why I was surprised when I saw your makeup bag. I'm like, what? I'm gonna use the Butter Blush in Plum Rose.
So what I actually use on my cheeks more, and this is maybe a little crazy, but I really like the way it looks, is Vaseline. Because I use it on my lips.
Because I need to look more dewy.
And I like the dewy look.
What the damn is this? How do I do it?
So I put some in my finger. Nicely done. I love the boy brow. Bar in my eyebrow that goes like right through.
Oh my god, I look like a clown.
Just dab it off. Oh.
Whose dog is that?
The neighbors. Such a secret. Okay.
That dog, is it dying?
No, they're just loud. Okay. This is Maddy's benefit.
Okay, this is so dark. I'm just like really scared. Because you have really dark eyebrows and I don't.
Eyebrows and
that's like
and
the color
is lighter. This is like almost too light for me, I think. It's your benefit.
God. Okay. Okay. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in When the Nude Strikes. So how do you apply this? Directly or with a finger?
Used to do it directly. Recently I've been rubbing it on my finger and dabbing it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. Whoa. Okay. You know what you need? You need the halo scope. This is really like glittery.
It's really glittery. It's too glittery for sure.
Okay, we're getting you the halo scope. For lips, I know I already used the Vaseline, which was so cute, but you have this Revlon lipstick from your mom. It's a really pretty like corally color. I'm gonna just dab it though. I'm not gonna actually like another brush hair.
Okay, so I'm done this. Okay, now I can do the milk makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Do you put this? Okay, so this,
On your finger.
On your finger. Okay.
Wow, that like added a lot of color right away.
This is highlighter Becca in Opal. And do you dab it on your face like doot 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 and then rub it in?
Yeah.
I
was like, what are you?
Ridiculous.
I think I'm done. I think I made it work. You should go on with the powder top, like on top of it. Okay, as you're finishing that, I'm gonna go over the products that I liked and the products that really disappointed me.
Sounds good.
Okay, so right away, obviously I love the butter bronzer because I have one and I love it. I didn't bring it, which was nice that she had it. I love the Glossier, both of them. The lipstick was really nice, like it's a really pretty coral color. Was disappointed in the blush, but like I don't like mine either. Really liked the Vaseline, like on the cheeks. All right, it was good. It was kind of scary at first because I'm like, what do you mean? The e.l.f. was actually surprising. I think I might get one in my color though. This I found was a little bit glittery, but I mean, we made it work and it looks good on the shoulders too. That's pretty much it. Oh, the one thing that I absolutely hated was like, what the damn are these? The brushes were a no, but we're going to get you new ones. I didn't love the e.l.f. setting powder. I didn't love it.
I don't like it that much actually either.
But it could have just been the brush. Yeah, so pretty much that was not as horrible as I was expecting. It's just the cleanliness of the brushes that bothered me.
I'm going to review your makeup.
Yeah, I want you to tell me what stuff you liked and what stuff was like meh.
I actually loved everything. I wasn't expecting to like the Maybelline Fit Me. The Milk Makeup Concealer.
Yeah,
I am a fan.
I think you should get that because it was a good color and it also looked really nice.
And it looks good. And I definitely am a brush convert and I think that brushes change everything.
What did you think of the Milk Makeup Stick?
I'm pretty obsessed with everything Milk Makeup. And I liked this color and I would be very interested to try other colors.
Okay, so overall, that was a good challenge. We pretty much, I mean, for me it was a challenge because I was like, how am I gonna do this? Yeah. But I made it work. I really like some of these as well. I have some of them, but I want to try the Glossier ones. And yeah, that's pretty good. It definitely was a challenge. Was it a challenge for you?
This was actually exciting for me and a challenge for you.
Okay, so that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned because we do have another video with Jessie coming up. So that will be coming out pretty soon, or maybe it'll come out first. I'm not too sure. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.